Hi, friend. It's truly Blue. My little birdie is lonely, and I think those birdies outside are lonely too. I know. We need to have a party, a birdhouse parties. Let's build them our house so they can all be friends. Mommy, where do the birdies sling?
If they're very lucky, a kind friend builds them a special little house.
I'm going to be a kind friend.
Every great builder needs a blueprint. What should our special birdhouse look like?
It needs a big, round window so the birdies can see out, and a slide for the baby birds.
All right, Builder Truly, let's make this blueprint a reality. Time to build the walls.
This is the front porch for the birdies.
The birdies need a sunflower so they know it's a happy house. And it needs sparkles so they can see it from the sky.
There we go, the perfect spot for our new little neighbors.
I hope the birdies love it.
Look, sweetie, our first visitor.
We have a new neighbor.